everyone. In today's video, I'm doing something super easy. I found these at actually at the grocery store. I have Meijer where I live, and I was just walking down their craft aisle, and I'm sure you could find these at any place like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but they are puffy 3D paint. It says it works on almost everything. I have a purple, a neon pink, and a gold. I kind of wish I would have found some nice green colors. They didn't have a huge variety. Green would have been great for doing some leaves, but I think you could do some really fun little like floral or just repeat pattern designs. But with the precision tip, I was just thinking about how much fun this would be to use it as similar to what I've used before with my own bottles. This one with the tip, you can do really, really small detailed designs. So I'm gonna try, this gold one is gold glitter, so I don't know how it will look when it first goes down. But okay, so there's gonna be, I'm just gonna do a bunch of like little dots. I think the puffiness is gonna be fun to create some texture in your collage pages, but I'm just going to do some designs with each of these, and I want to see how this gold will actually dry with the glitter. Okay, so I'm going to let that little section dry. I want to definitely want to do just some little, ooh, do we want the pink or the purple? I'm going to start with purple, and then I can use one of my other pages with the pink. So let's do, I think we could do all sorts of fun designs with this. Yeah, I see like doing kind of an outline, and then once it's all dry, using maybe an acrylic ink or watercolor and filling in one of those spaces. But I'm going to do one more with this pink and decide if I want to do some like leaf pattern, or I'm going to do it on a white page. Or do I want to just do a bunch of little flowers? Let's see. So that works. It's really puffy. I know that's the whole point, so hopefully it will dry well. But I think these could be really fun to just make some different textured designs. You could do all sorts of shapes, all sorts of repeat patterns. I went a little bit heavy. I know, like squeezing the bottle. I just have to be careful with my hands with that, but overall I think that's just going to be a really fun way to make some little patterns. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.